go. Oh, it was tiring, but it's so rewarding. I was just cutting all this brush here, and here you go. I cut some here, I cut some over there, just today, not very long ago. And I used my Ego chainsaw. We just bought this yesterday, and this is the model is CS1400 or CX1400. Anyway, it's 14-inch or 35 centimeter, and if you look, and has the 56-volt lithium battery. That was powerful, right? I was amazed. It was really powerful. And here you go. I was fast. Remember, I'm just not even 5 foot. But I was cutting not some of those, but most of it right now that you're seeing that looks like fresh cut. And it's just spring here, so that's why you don't see any leaves. And here you go. I could show you to how you cut it. See? So fast. Did you hear the power of this one? I love this chainsaw. It's a little bit heavy, but I can handle it. I think, how many pounds is this one? I think it's 12 point something pounds. It's a little bit heavy if I wanted to, but I can handle it. I can't reach high, high branches, but that's good enough for me. I really enjoy it because I did a lot of work in not even an hour. And see, I cut some of this, like this one. Check this out. I usually do like that. Ha! Very nice, huh? Anyway, it's easier to do it yourself than asking people to work to you or to pay. No, it's paid off already. Whatever the price of this chainsaw, I think it's $250. My husband bought it. It's a little bit, has a clearance sale, so we got it a little bit cheaper. And there you go. The battery, I think it will last 4 hours straight work. 8 hours. That's a lot. Wow. So I can really work all day, but I don't think my body will. But anyway, here you go. It's really, really fun to do it when it works good. Very sharp, very easy to manipulate. You don't have no cord, you don't have no pulling. You're not pulling. Takes a while. Even the easy, the easy start. It's still hard for me. This one, this is the easiest you can get. You just push this one because you have the battery here. I think that's the one that makes it heavy. But you can handle it because you're not really gonna cut branches on this one. You cut more trees. Yep. But I really like it very much. See, I don't need any tools to use it to, if this one come out, all I have to do is, unscrew this and then put it back. No tools, everything's here. You don't need to run in there and do that, but you have to make sure you put oil. The oil is on this side here. Just make sure your oil is, it's filled with oil because you're gonna ruin your bar and the thing. But anyway, and also when I started it, when we just had it, I can't even start it because there is a safety feature on this one. That one, see, it won't start. So you have to push it like that, and it starts. So there is good stuff. How you like it? But anyway, it's highly recommended for now. I just got it new, so no problem. But I think I got also a very cheap one, like a smaller one, 10-inch. I think it's 8 or 7 pounds. And I think it all depends on how you use it, because it lasts to me, and I did a lot of work too. It's not very much powerful, and you know, it's only like probably 30 minutes you're done with it. The battery dead. But anyway, that's it. Get you one. Maybe if you're a man, you get you the 22 inch. But the power is 50. This is more powerful than my husband chainsaw. He has a steel, but I think he only got 46 whatever cc, because it's gas, and this one we use it volt because it's battery. So I really enjoy it. I like it. And I used to use machete or sword or bolo or hat, axe, anything I could use, you know, just to cut this trees. Now faster. I think I could clear the whole mountains with this one. Ha 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 ha. Anyway, enjoy it when you get one. I think anything, but so far I like this very much. Actually, I don't want to cut those. I'm gonna cut it here because I'm gonna this big one. You see that? If it's stuck like that, you just have to get it up. Just make sure you don't do it on the big trees. Woo! I love this chainsaw. I'm gonna cut some on that side here. You see that? That's how. Very powerful. That was very strong. Anyway, I could cut all this thing. That was from that tree that I cut it. Actually, I used, the first time I cut this one is I used the small one, like 10-inch, 20 volts battery. Ha! That's it. Thank you so much for watching, and enjoy it. Just give you confidence.